Hi guys, I will continue to introduce MQL Binance programming. The topic is order type. Binance offers different order types: the matrix, market order, and limit order. This is the Binance trading panel. We can switch to limit order, market order from here. When we switch to market order, we don't need to specify the price of the order when we open when we're sending orders, because we are telling Binance that we don't care about the price, just make our order get filled immediately. No matter we don't care about the price, just let the order get filled at any price. When we switch to limit order, we need to specify the price of the order. If we open up, we are telling Binance that we only buy when the price is higher than this price. We don't buy when the price is lower than this price. The same, if we open short, we are telling Binance we only short when the price is higher than this price. We don't sell when the price is lower than this price. Limit orders have many different times by timing force. First is GTC. Put to cancel, order will continue to work until filled or cancelled. And IOC, immediately or cancel. Order will execute or partial immediately and cancel any unfilled portion of the order. FOK, fill or kill. Order must be filled immediately in its entirety or not executed at all. GTD, put till day. GTD orders remain active till its specified day, unless it has already been fulfilled or cancelled. If not executed, the order will be automatically cancelled. This is the screenshot when we switch to GTD. We need to specify the expiry day of order.